I want to eat suya but I no get over how I want to do am. Come make I show you. Make sure you wash your meat, then you go slice am into pieces, no let am big o. Then you come prepare all your ingredients. You go put your salt, you go put your curry powder, your seasoning, your paprika and your thyme. If you like garlic powder and ginger powder, still fit add am. Then you come mix am together. Make sure say you put small groundnut oil inside. You go come mix everything together, mix am together. Then you go put am on top of your meat. If you fit use hand glove, it's good. If you fit use your hand, it's still good. Make sure say you mix everything well, e enter well. Make sure say you put your gas in a low heat, then you come put your fry pan. You go add small groundnut oil, you go come make am hot. After you see am say e don hot, you come dey put your meat inside and dey come back. You see am say I don put my meat inside the fry pan. Then you go come wait make your meat dey cook. After e dey cook, you just dey turn am, go dey turn everything. No leave the meat o, if not you go burn. You see as I no leave the fire, I no leave the meat. You make sure say you dey there. Then I don pack that one comot. I need to wash my fry pan and I put another small groundnut oil inside. After I say e don hot, I come dey put my meat again. Make I show you the first one wey we do. Na im be this one. So I wan put everything together. Make sure say you wash your stick with water. You rinse am with water before you come dey put your meat inside your stick. If you don't know how to make suya pepper, I've already do video about that. I will put this link on the description. So this is the outcome of our suya. You can put cucumber, tomatoes and onions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye. Like